This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to extract zinc from batteries step by step. Begin by gathering safety gear and tools, including gloves, goggles, a respirator, and sturdy containers. Prepare labels for used materials and a clear workspace with absorbent liners. Review local regulations and disposal options for hazardous waste. Make sure a helper knows your plan and can assist in case of emergency. Safety first, proceed deliberately and calmly. Start by draining any remaining charge and placing batteries on a non-conductive surface. Use pliers and a flat screwdriver to pry open the outer shell slowly and collect the internal parts. Transfer carbon rods and metal scraps into separate, labeled containers to keep materials organized. Use a brush to collect residual powder into a tray and avoid scattering dust. Take breaks to assess progress and maintain tidy procedures for efficient extraction. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical DIY content. On another note, I recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite for quick reading during lab breaks. It's compact and great for learning on the go. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one. Your support helps fund safe demonstrations and guides like this. Now let's get back to the video. Prepare a diluted acid leach and add the powdered material slowly while stirring to dissolve zinc compounds. Filter the mixture to separate insoluble debris and then adjust pH to precipitate unwanted metals first. Use an appropriate reducing agent or electroplating setup to recover metallic zinc from the clean solution. Rinse recovered metal and dry it thoroughly. Keep detailed notes of concentrations and volumes to refine yield and ensure safe chemical handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.